Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today again we're doing an Ipsy Plus unboxing, as will be my last Ipsy Plus unboxing because next month I will be doing an Ipsy Ultimate unboxing. Yes, they convinced me to pay $50 a month for 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe sample products. I fell for it and it's happening. Alright, so if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy box, then just keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to try in the box is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I already have my foundation and my concealer on, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a go. It says it is finely milled and will glide over makeup for a crease-free, soft-focus finish and locks your look in all day, which is truly extraordinary. Okay, so the retail value is $22, and this has 15 grams. Crap, it has a freaking thin-ass piece of plastic over the holes. Alright, this is gonna take me a minute. My under eye is kind of already a little bit creased, so I'm not going to judge it by that. I don't know if it's because it's like finely milled that I'm picking up like a whole bunch and it's just getting everywhere, and I put like way too much on my nose, but we're just going to leave it there for like a minute or two and then I will spread it all over the face. Okay, so it's probably been less than 2 minutes, but I'm a little bit impatient, so I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend it all over my face. Alright, so it actually does look kind of flawless besides like the inner little crease of my nose, but that's pretty normal for me. My foundation does not look cakey, and I filmed with my phone, so I feel like you could tell if there was like some flashback. I don't know. I'll take a picture and see if it does anything, but I don't think it will. Hopefully it doesn't, because it actually looks pretty good, and for 22 bucks I wouldn't mind paying for it. Alright, so I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, so I did just take a picture. If I remember, I'm gonna insert it into the video now. I feel like it does make my face look a lot whiter. I mean, it's right now, but I don't think it's a foundation because I feel like it's a lot whiter in the areas that I put the powder. But I mean, I don't do a lot of like flash photography, nor do I use the flash on my phone very often, so I think I still like the powder, even though it just has like this white cast kind of a lot on the face. Okay, so next in the bag is the Ofra Cosmetics collab with Madison Miller Squad palette. I do subscribe to her channel, so I did know about this. I didn't know we were gonna get it in the box, but that's honestly freaking great. And this is valued at $35. So I think it comes with, it looks like it's 1 blush and 2 highlighters, but let's go ahead and find out. Okay, so this is what the outside packaging looks like. And this is it inside. Yeah, so I believe these are 2 highlighters and this is a blush. And I'm glad that the blush isn't too light, because there's another product in here that I don't think would really go with a light pink blush, so I think this should fit perfectly with that. And I already have my bronzer on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the blush. Okay, yeah, it will definitely give you that sun-kissed look. And I like that it's like not too pigmented, because of like the NYX palette that we got last month. Those blushes were so pigmented, so even when you went in with a light hand, you might be putting on too much. So I feel like this one is buildable. And next is the highlight. One looks a little bit more golden right here, and the other one might be like kind of like a pinkish brown undertone. I'm not exactly sure. Alright, so I'm gonna do one on one cheekbone and the other on the other cheekbone. So the one that looks a little bit more brown, I'm gonna go on this cheekbone right here. Oh yeah, it's definitely like your everyday highlight. There's not really like an undertone to it when applied on my skin. And then the other highlight, honestly, to me, I feel like they look generally the same on my skin tone. Maybe this one's a little bit more golden, but there's like, you can barely tell. Like, you could wear this on this cheekbone, that on that cheekbone, and nobody would be able to tell the difference. Like, it looks kind of like the same. So I kind of wish they went in with like a different, I don't know, like a different undertone or overall color of the highlight. I'm gonna swatch these on my hand just so I can get like a closer look of like the differences. So this is the brown, or like this one right here. So yeah, it's like a pink brown undertone. And then the other one, yeah, it's more like a golden undertone, but swatched on the face, honestly, you really can't tell the difference. But overall, I do like the quality of the highlight and the blush, so like, I'm not against it, but I think they could go just a little bit cheaper, because I feel like it's not like a big variety of shade in this triple palette. Oh my god, actually, if you think about it, it's kind of a lot, isn't it? Or is that good? Like 3 things for $35? I don't know. I don't think I would have gone out and actually bought it myself. So I'm glad that I've got it in an Ipsy bag, but I probably won't buy anything else from the collab. The third thing in the box is this Illamasqua. Illamasqua? I don't know how to pronounce that. But anyways, it's an Antimatter lipstick in the shade Midnight. I do like the package that it comes in. It's very cute. It has like some random ass symbol right there. And that's a bright red. Okay, yeah, so I'm definitely not doing my eyeshadow today because I just feel like it'd be too much with the shade of red. Usually if I ever wear a red lipstick, I don't put on eyeshadow because then it's just like, it's too much. It's way too much. So it says, this non-drying lipstick in a universally flattering classic red swipes on with an immediate color payoff. It's vitamin E infused formula, conditions lips for a creamy application. Before I get the sippy all messy. That's good. Yeah, there definitely is immediate color payoff. Okay, yeah, it's actually really cute. I like it with the no eyeshadow look. So let me put on some mascara. I'll do that right after this. Alright, so I have my mascara on with the lipstick, and it is so cute. I always think that I can't pull off like red lipsticks, but then when I put them on with like, just like, and everything else is looking good, I just feel a little So let's get to the rest of the box and let me stop talking about this lipstick that I really love so much, even though I can't pronounce the name of the brand that made it. Next thing in the bag is the Apto Skincare Antioxidant Mask with Pomegranate. So it's backed by top estheticians, Apto. Oh, that's the brand. Apto, or I don't know, whatever. Removes fluff and filler to create clean skincare formulas like this soothing antioxidant rich mask. Enzylic acid gently removes dead skin cells, while pomegranate and green tea help calm inflammation and restore balance. So I do have some redness on my face, so hopefully this can tone that down, but it's going to be a while before I try this out. It says, in need of post-sun repair, apply a thin layer to overexposed skin and let it sit for 10 minutes. So I guess it's a good mask that you could put after going out in the sun. This is what it looks like. And this retails for $36. I've never heard of this brand before. I would definitely have to try this out before I would want to spend that type of price range and other products that they might have. But yeah, another face mask to add to my collection. And lastly in the bag, which a brand I love, is the GlamGlow TropicalCleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. This is an awesome size. The retail value is $34. I would pay that because I know the brand, and also you get like a shit ton. You get, what's this? It's 5 ounces. 5 ounces for $34. If I like it, I would repurchase it. So it says formulated with ultra refreshing TOC, green tea leaf, purple clay, goji berries, I think that's what it says, and acai, A-S-A-C with the little S symbol, A-I, I don't know. This exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined, glowing complexion. Gentle enough for everyday use. Apply this cleanser to a wet face and lightly massage in an even circular motion. Rinse and pat dry. So yeah, happy to get a GlamGlow product. I don't think I've gotten a full-size GlamGlow product in a while, so looking forward to trying this. Okay, so the overall value of this month's Ipsy Plus box is $154, which is great since you're only spending, what, $24.99 plus shipping. Definitely worth your money. I would say my favorite products for the lipstick, even though I probably wouldn't go and buy it again because it's $27. The cleanser, even though I haven't tried it yet, but kind of a brand whore when it comes to skincare. The loose powder was okay. I'm not 100% of how I feel about it just yet. I did like the blush and the highlighter, but the highlighters honestly look the same when applied to the face. And the Apto mask, I don't have really opinion on that since I haven't tried it yet. So looking forward to that. But yeah, that's all that I have in my Ipsy Plus box. I think I do have a referral code, so I will go ahead and insert that down in the description below if you decide to try it out. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I would really be so happy. And I will see y'all in the next one. Yeah.